The iPhone 17 Pro could mark Apple's most daring leap in smartphone photography in years, a claim backed by several compelling leaks. Apple is rumored to equip the device with a brand new telephoto lens offering up to 8 times optical zoom, a significant jump from the 5 times zoom on the iPhone 16 Pro. This would position it to directly challenge Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series and Sony's Xperia line. What's truly exciting? The zoom isn't expected to rely on digital cropping. Instead, a moving lens element could enable continuous optical zoom, similar to Sony Xperia camera hardware, something Apple hasn't done before. If true, this fusion of hardware innovation and Apple's renowned image processing software could redefine long-range mobile photography. Apple is also reportedly developing a new pro-level camera app aimed at professionals and photography enthusiasts. This app is expected to offer deep manual control for both stills and video, potentially rivaling Halley, Filmic Pro, and Kino. Whether it's a standalone app or a major update to Final Cut's camera capabilities is still up in the air, but it's clearly designed to take full advantage of the new zoom hardware. In addition, the iPhone 17 Pro may feature a physical camera control button on its top edge. This tactile shortcut could launch the camera instantly, making it easier than ever to capture spontaneous moments, a thoughtful touch for users prioritizing photographic speed and convenience. Design tweaks may further highlight Apple's focus on its camera system. Among them, a copper-like color option, a rumored horizontal rear camera bar, and a new triple 48MP rear camera setup, including 48MP sensors for the main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, replacing the previous 12MP telephoto module with a much higher resolution unit. On the videography side, the Pro model might enable simultaneous front and rear camera recording, a potentially transformative feature for vloggers and content creators wanting to capture their reactions and surroundings at once. All this signals a bold strategy. Apple isn't merely upgrading the camera. It's gearing up for a photography showdown with Samsung and Sony. If that continuous 8 times optical zoom pans out, Apple could win over users who've stuck with Galaxy or Xperia specifically for superior zoom. With Apple's finely tuned image processing layered on top, it could deliver long-range shots that rival standalone cameras. Bottom line, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be Apple's most camera-focused smartphone yet. With 8 times optical zoom, a pro-grade camera app, a dedicated control button, and 48MP triple sensors, it promises to blur the line between mobile and professional photography. While we await official confirmation, if these leaks are accurate, Apple may very well set a new standard in smartphone imaging. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.